Going to the first GST meet. Gonna bring Tristan along with us. I actually just got my new EBCS in the mail. It's been a pretty big process trying to get rid of the boost creep issue. I actually I returned this and got a new one. And also, I ordered an external wastegate setup, and that should be in hopefully this week. So pretty sweet.
Hey boys, we're going to Nixie's dad. Gonna wrap the facade up, I guess, to doing something to the facade, and then we're gonna cruise to the meet in Concord. We're gonna cruise there.
We at Nick's. Not that Nick. That Nick. And get it going, my dude.
Oh, hey, Rob.
What are you doing? Straight piping her?
Yeah, I took the resonator out.
There you go.
Look.
Got Big Boss doing her up.
Yeah, because you fucking bent the pipe. You gotta
I bought the Porsche expansion.
You excited for the meet, my dude?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yep.
You excited? Hey! You excited, my dude?
I guess so.
Yeah. So Tim, having any problems with the GTI or just, you know, normal Volkswagen stuff?
No. Problems. Yeah, we can do that.
Nice.
Yep.
So you got your tune today, I saw on Facebook.
Oh yeah, the tune's pretty sweet.
But just ignorant stuff.
Yep. Doesn't matter.
Oh geez, you got the new coils in her?
I did it this morning before I went to do the tune.
Got the adapters.
The coils?
Can you notice a big difference, or is it a little chum right now?
No, you did the coils yesterday.
What? You've already... You did those already.
Got the bars looking good. Got some exhausty out. She running up and down check, I guess. For the meet, anyways. Where's those keys?
Sounded great. Oh no, it's like 2 feet taller than you. Cody's like raping you. Cody, punch him back. I didn't really get in your car. Cody, punch him back. He's like the teddy bear. He's the one you want to get Emma. It was like popping around.
But thought had to get bump started, and we're gonna head out to the meet. Oh. Meet's pretty done up so far. We got Kodos. Uh-oh. We got, what's your name?
Cody.
Cody with the Charger. Thing's wicked done up, dude. What do you have done to it? Is she all stock?
Really, I haven't been able to do much. I've been worried about the rust, and I had to replace the gas tank on it before I could do anything.
Oh, sweet.
No, it's junk.
We got
6 liters
the
of
old
junk.
trucky. Thing's wicked done up.
I called my
Pretty big meat going on here. What's your favorite car that you've seen so far?
I haven't looked at any.
Oh yeah,
I think it's a
GTS. Yeah, we are.
Vlogging?
What's up, my
Yo,
dude?
so pretty much, I just want to say welcome to the Robbie Rati on YouTube channel.
First GST car meet this year.
What do you have to say?
Pretty mint. Pretty good turnout. Pretty sweet spot, so hopefully we don't get kicked out.
I say we should get kicked
Oh,
out.
and there's a Viper over there. Pretty done out.
I think it's stock.
Yeah, we got over here, we got the S2000 I brought today.
Yo, we're vlogging, TJ.
We're vlogging. Yeah, this is my S2000. I cleaned it, but on the way here I hit a bug.
Oh, big old fucking diesel there. No, ding, ding, ding. Here you go, take your vlogger back.
Thanks, my dude. Sweet Nissan.
This would be sick to have a
Got an ignorant wing, almost as tall as Trevor. Jesus. Pretty sweet STI though.
I'm 6'7", that's my thing.
Yeah, and he's 6'7", so that's a pretty tall wing right there. Yeah, just a line of Subarus. I couldn't get a spot though. Got one of them torque solutions. Pretty sweet STI, WRX, 300ZX.
and something junk.
Clean little GTI over there. Stock suspension though, need some coilovers. Got the Boz, and then Tim's GTI. Pretty sweet BRZ. Freaking heavy hauler today. What's up, my dude? What's your favorite car here?
Robbie Rob.
What's your favorite car here?
Oh, Nick.
Hey Silas, what's your favorite car here?
Dude, the police car over there. Shout out.
Robbie, go ask him. Go, be like
That's the best car?
That's the best.
Trevor, just look through. What's your favorite car here, you thinking?
I like the S2.
Favorite car, my dude?
The Baghdadi.
It's a Baghdadi.
I like the
Thomas Carosella's car. She on bags. Adam, what's your favorite car here?
Probably the MK6 right there.
The bag one?
Yeah. We got the setup going. We got Kate.
Cop.
Hey, you bring your mom?
Dad, yes.
Kidney the ride home.
I don't want to hit nothing.
You don't hit
Me like 3 times.
Give her beans.
Jump it.
Here comes the squad. Here they come. Got Javier with the cool. Javier got your haircut? Yeah, I thought that was a good one. I don't know why they care so much. What'd you say?
That's what I call a car.
Friggin' police showed up, sorry. Hey, what's your favorite car here, my dude?
Oh man, there's a nasty ass Dodge Viper right there.
Yeah, we already talked about that. What
Did
else
you?
do you like?
It's a GTR, but like I don't know.
There's a
Like-
Blauby STI around here.
Oh, I heard those were gay.
Yeah, pretty much.
Are they like stupid slow or something?
Yeah. It's not that greasy?
No, it's too greasy.
Oh. Oh, he's not. What?
I'm not that far in.
Get on it! money. Dirty money. Let's see it. Let's see it.
Take it off.
No, but we got Dakota and he's gonna meet Tristan. They have to shake hands.
Hey, buddy. Nice to meet
What's up?
What's going on?
He has a race boat. Yeah.
What was it?
Latest in Rice Boy Garage. We got this Spectre fucking Acorns. We got the Spectre fucking cup right here with the fucking nice shiny aluminum pipe. I got this for free. This guy had a Ford Escort, and he was like, yo, I got some free fucking couplers for you. Why don't you take it? I was like, fuck yeah, dude. Got this short ram fucking intake right there. Can't really see it because Saab really designed the engine bay great.
Nice.
Fucking polished up the old lady right there, clear coated her.
There you go.
Yeah, that's it.
Mine's on a 3-to-1.
Going for a rip with Damon and his STI. What do you got for mods?
Full exhaust, headers, back, everything. Sternal wastegate, full fuel system, and custom dyno 2.
How much power are you making?
297 wheel and 335 torque.
Oh, is that in there?
RX now?
We got Toddy.
Huh? Why?
What's up, Etah? What's your favorite car here?
I gotta say I like the.
It's not really.
I like that sweet STI. I don't know. Did you
Nasty.
see that STI with the GT wing? That
no.
the big fat wing.
Oh yeah, the thing is pretty sweet. What's your favorite car here?
Dude, my buddy has an 04 STI over there with a big wing.
Oh, sweet. So, how'd you like the first car meet, my dude?
It was okay. Yeah, it was a real good time.
A lot better than last year.